Good morning children. I welcome you all in today's social class. Children, as we all know, food is our basic need like air and water. We cannot live without food. Food gives us energy to work and play. So today I am going to explain the chapter our food. All the food that we eat comes from either from plants or from animals. We get different types of food from plants and animals. Let us know. Cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables. We get from plants. Cereals. The seeds of some plants form the major part of our meal. These are all cereals. Rice, wheat, maize, bajra and jowar. As we all know, every day we eat rice. Eastern and southern part of India grow plenty of rice. So people from these areas usually eat rice. A rice is boiled and eaten with vegetables and other things. It may also be ground into a paste to make dosa, uttappam or idli. These tasty dishes from South India now liked all over the country. Wheat. Wheat grows well in northern part of India and some western parts of India. So people from these areas use to make roti. A roti is made from ground wheat or wheat flour. Bread loaves, cakes and biscuits are made from roti. And the rotis are made from the flour, maize, bajra and jowar also. Next, pulses. All types of dals, gram, beans and peas are called pulses. These two are seeds of some plants. The types of pulses are eaten in all Indian homes. The type of pulses and way of cooking may be different. For example, the northern part of India, people like to eat rajma. It is also called as kidney beans. The dish sambar cooked with arhar dal and vegetables. Okay. Next, fruits and vegetables. Some fruits and vegetables are eaten in round the year. Others common in seasons of harvest when they are picked from the plant. Apples, pears, most common in autumn season. Oranges in winter, grapes in spring, lychee, watermelon and mangoes are in summer. And many types of gourds are eaten in summer because these gourds are rich in water content. So people prefer to eat these gourds in summer season. Like wattle gourd, ridge gourd, cucumber, bitter gourd. These are all vegetables. Okay. Cauliflower, cabbage and carrots are sold in winter. The fruit and vegetables are people eat often depend on the part of the country they live in. Apricots, plums, peaches and cherries are common in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh because those are colder areas. So these fruits are grow well in colder areas. Coconuts are grow well in sea coast areas. Example, Kerala. Kerala is the largest producer of coconuts. Kerala is nearby sea coast, so people of Kerala get plenty of fish. Also, they like to eat fish. Next, non-vegetarian food. The food we get from animals is called non-vegetarian food. Children, do you know the difference between the vegetarians and non-vegetarians? The people who eat meat, fish or egg are called non-vegetarians. The people who do not eat meat, fish or egg are called vegetarians. Meat, fish, egg are we getting from animals. So these are all non-vegetarian foods. Next, spices and oils. Spices are used to add flavor to food. food is rich in spices. That is because India is among the countries that grow the most amounts of spices. So some common spices are turmeric, chili, coriander, black pepper, okay, cumin seeds, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon. These are all different kinds of spices. Children, as you all know, while we make biryani at our homes, then we use different kinds of spices. Then make it gives us good flavor and taste. Okay. Next, oils. Oil is used in cooking. Or there are some different kinds of oil seeds like sesame, groundnut, sunflower oil seeds, soya bean. These are all different kinds of oil seeds. By crushing these oil seeds, we get oil. Olive oil is made from the olive fruit. Olive oil is good for healthy cooking. Next, milk and milk products. Milk comes from cows and buffaloes. In some parts of India, people drink the milk of goats, sheep, yaks or camels. Any food that made from milk, it is called a milk product. There are some milk products like paneer, cheese, curd or yogurt, buttermilk. These are all called milk products. Some other sweets also there made from milk like rasgullas, gulab jam and peda or sandesh. Like those are all sweets made from milk. So children, food from around the country. Children, earlier people could eat only the food grown nearby places. Lack of transport facilities. But nowadays we have a lot of transport facilities. So the things, food grains, fruits and vegetables can be carried by aeroplanes, goods trains or trucks to different places. Example, pineapple from Assam reach Mumbai. Mangoes from Uttar Pradesh can be eaten in Chennai. Green coconuts reach Delhi. Hey, apples from Himachal Pradesh can be enjoyed in Kolkata. Okay? Okay. So, next, now I will write some different states have different types of famous dishes. Different states have different dishes. Those are famous of the states. Children, look at the board. Here I am writing. Litti Chokha. Litti Chokha. It is the famous dish of Bihar. And Pav Bhaji. It is the famous of Maharashtra. Famous of Maharashtra. Chole Bhature. Chole Bhature. It is Punjab. And Dokla. Dokla. It is the famous dish of Gujarat. Okay. Next, Giver. Next, Giver. Giver from Rajasthan. Giver from Rajasthan. Last, finally, that is upma from Tamil Nadu. Upma is the famous of Tamil Nadu. Once I will read again. Litti Chokha, Bihar. Pav Bhaji, Maharashtra. Chole Bhature, Punjab. Dokla, Gujarat. Givar, Rajasthan. Upma, Tamil Nadu. These are all famous dishes different states have. Okay, children. This is the chapter, our food. Thank you. Have a nice day to you all.